Yo, don't stop believing. This is Pro Trader Mike with an end of the day. Market's going to close at 8 p.m. Sun Edison's adjusted down again on the same bad news. Nothing's changed. I know there was an SEC investigation into it and they may go bankrupt. That's why it's at 50 cents. But they have any flash of restructuring because the company, as I've done research on, just has a lot of assets and it's just worth more than 50 cents. I'm in 72,000 wanting to get up to 100. I bought 100 earlier. When it dumped, I sold it at 55 cents at the end of the day. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going to go take a shower. I'm going to go eat. I'm going to come out. And I almost, oh my gosh, it's at 47 cents. So I bought like 80,000 shares at 47. Then they came to 50 bid. I slammed them with like 40,000 shares at 50 bid. Then I got back on the bid at 48 and 49. I got a partial fill at 49. I'm sitting there for 10,000 at 48. And right at the close, I'm going to buy another bunch. And I'm going to buy these right here at the close. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Watch. I'm going to bid 49. I'll show you the decimal points. Let me show you. Level 2 config, 3 decimals. Watch. Commit, because this is trading. I'm going to go 0.495 for 1,000 shares. Watch. But I'm only going to show 100. Watch. See? So I'm trying to buy 495, 1,000 shares, but it's only showing 100 because I'm hiding the order in the level 2. So when you see it, that's a fake. It's a see it, boom, they just slammed it into me. You see that? They just sold that into me. Beaut, I got filled. Now I'm up to 74,000. And now I'm on the bid for 10,000 at 48. Since they want to sell that, let's cancel that. And let's see if we can get 1,000 at 0.4801. Watch, 4801. See, I'm only showing 100, but I want to buy 1,000. I could change this. I'll buy 10,000, but I'm only showing 100. It's a fake. That's what they do. So if I wanted to get filled, watch, I'll put it at 49. Watch. 49.5, in between 49 and 50, I'm going to sell 40,000 shares. I'll hide nothing. See my 400 comes up there? Watch, I'll cancel it. Now I'll display 100 shares at 495, but I'm selling the same 40,000. That's how you get tricked because there's a lot of shares there. I'm going to get on the bid now. My intention is not to sell 40,000, but to buy at 4801 right now and buy another 1,000, but I'm only showing 100. I really want to buy more than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel the 1,000. I'll buy 5,000 at 4801, showing 100, and I'll sell at 49, 25,000. Watch, I'll show 100. Watch. So it's showing 100, but I'm selling 25,000. So I'll cancel that, and I'll get rid of the display of 100, and now I'll just sell 25,000, and I'll get filled on the bid because I'm not really intentionally wanting to sell here. I just want to get filled on the buy here. That's what they do in trading, and that's why 9 out of 10 traders lose and Mojo wins. So that's the end of the presentation. That's how you hide orders and buy stock in the level 2. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Mojo University starting in 8 minutes. Let me show you the Mojo University classroom. Here's the Mojo University classroom right here where the pro traders come at 8 p.m. They're lining up right now. The pro traders have taken the course before. All the other traders are filling in. They'll come here for the first time. They will soon be pro traders. Everybody gets to watch over my shoulder as I speak and tell everybody what to do. And that's how I trade. And that's how I teach. So let's see how this thing's going to close. We got 8 minutes. Let's see how we can rock and roll and build the position back up. I want to close it with around 100,000 shares so I have more room tomorrow to see which way it goes to add on another 100,000. She took the midnight train anywhere. See, the other day, everybody got called out on market on a liquidation in the morning, so I jumped in on that. The same thing's going to happen tomorrow. That's why I'm saving the buying power. Let me show you. Let me blow up the 5-minute right here. If you go to the other day right here on the open, there we had this flash right here at 9:30 down to 45 cents. That's where it is now. Look, stock went right back up to 65. Cha-ching, baby. Stock's real volatile. It'll do that. It'll go up. It'll go down. It went up to 65. It came back down. It went back up after that again. Look, went back up. Came back down. Went back up, came back down. That's all it's doing. Look, went down, went all the way back up. Watch, there it goes, all the way back up. Now it'll go all the way back down again. Right here. Now it's going to go all the way back up again to fit and go through and maybe go up to 60, 70 because all the bad news is out of it. So now I'm going to go 48.01. 0.481 on the bid, and I'm going to buy. I got to even out my position right before the close. There's 5 minutes left. 74. I can't have an odd lot, so I'm going to increase my position. 697 shares right now on the bid at 48.02. See that guy at 1? I'll go 48.5. Done. Then I'll go 1,000. 697. At 487. Watch. Then I'll go 1,000, another 697 in case I get completed at 49. Boom, done. So there's all my orders lined up, and I'm just chinging it. Do I care that it's sold at 48 here? No, I want to get filled and buy some more shares. How do you like that? Nice, right? Stock will probably go through 50 on the close. Say that you're buying 50 now. Love it. Here's my thing in 4 minutes. I'm buying the next little pop. Don't stop believing in it. So everyone's like, Mike, yeah, I took a loss in the stock. Let me show you what I did. It was awesome. So like at the close, I sold it at 55 cents because I owned it at 58.5 and 56 in 2 positions. So I lost 2 cents. Then I took a shower and went to dinner, and I came back and I bought it at 47, sold it at 50, and now I got it back at 48. Another 75,000 at 48. So I'm all over this thing today. It's awesome. Okay, so let me show you how you recover from the people that own it, and you can't take a freaking loss. Watch. I owned it at $1.20. I took a loss at 103. I lost 17 cents. I bought it back at 58, sold it at 65. Bought it back at 53, sold it at 63. Bought it back at 55, sold it at 60. Bought it back at 58, sold it at 63. All these trades right here doubled that loss. And now I sold it again for a little loss at the end of the day from where we had it to 55 at the close, and now I'm in it again at 48 with the same huge block that I was buying up at $1.20, $1.50. You can't sit with the losers. You sell it, you take a little bit of a loss, it drops, you trade it, you make back that loss. What are you going to hold it for? All the way to come back? By the time it comes back right there, you're plus in the game instead of waiting and breaking even. That's the key. Can't be sitting with the loser and just be sitting with it and sitting with it. Take the loss, let it drop. You know it's going to drop, and then trade it and trade it and trade it. Look at the size now at 48. 2 minutes left. I haven't gotten filled on my 690. Yeah, I did. Got partially filled. Look, at 49, I got myself 400. All right, let's not fool around here. Let's cancel. So it's at 48. Let's go 49 bid and 48.01. I got to buy 297 shares. So I'm going to go 49 bid for 297, and that's why it's showing 2. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to display 100 because the most you could display is 100, and it's showing a 1, but I want to buy 297. I just wanted to make this video, everyone, before we started class on after hours trading, because that's what we're going to be covering in class tonight. So you get to see how everything happens in class. And right now, my position just is I'll be closing it at under 49, up a G, going into tomorrow. Who knows what it's going to open? Maybe it can open up at 55. Volume's only 27 million. Didn't dump on no crazy volume.
No!
All right, exactly. So listen, guys, what time is it? 7:58. Mojo U starts in 2 minutes and the market closes in 2 minutes. The trading platform I trade on with Interactive Brokers, I could trade at 5 o'clock in the morning. It starts and it ends at 8 p.m. I'm always the first one trading Sun Edison and the last one at the end of the day. So when you see that activity, you're trading against the Mojo. Nice. Got to go make some coffee for the class. We got 1 minute left. I got to buy 297 shares right before the close. Oh, someone else on the bid. I'm going to go 49.01. I'll go 49.5. Oh, they're buying the 50s. I'll buy the 50. Oh, no, I got filled at 297 right there. See the 197 and the 100? That was me. So I got 75,000 at 48 cents closing the night. I'll take it. See how it opens up in the morning. Got much room to do others. Sweet. And we're closing right now. Ding, 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 ding. Look at the trade at the close. 54. 1,001,360 at the close at 54 cents. Look at that one. You know what? You know what that is? Do you know what that is, Mojo? Do you know what this trade is right there? Does anyone know? I know. You want me to tell you what that is? Let me show you. It's very simple. Watch. It's 1,100,000. Let's say it's just 1 million shares. Okay. It went to where? 45 to 50. Just like me, every single time that thing dipped, big block. Every time. Every time that thing ran up, he has 1 million shares. He's going to stick it out so it doesn't go higher, so he can fill in stock lower. That's his bridge. This whole time, during the last hour, he came out of 1,100,000. There's another print exactly like that. There's another print exactly like that. Hold on a second. Watch. This is the power of journaling. Okay, watch. Yesterday, in after hours trading, it traded 2,087,162, right? At 1830. At 1830, it traded 208,7152. Now, at the close, watch what they did at the close. You think I don't know what's going on, huh? Watch. Last trade of the day at the close, same exact thing. Whoops, hold on. At 20.00, look at the last trade. 208.7162. He trapped it from the start of the pre-market to the end of the pre-market. It traded heavier yesterday, so it was 208.7152. The same exact number of shares. He boxed it in from the open of the pre-market to the close of the pre-market on a block of 2 million. The same exact thing just happened today again at the close at 54, where it started in the pre-market. Does everyone see that 100%? The power of journaling and the power of the level 2.
Yes, 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 yes.
There you go. They're coming in, 24, 25. The class is filling up. Yes, yes, yes. Great way to start the class. Listen, Pro Trader Mike signing off. We're going to start Mojo University, put our thinking caps on, and we're going to make preparation for some money. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off.